log. Cardamom, Cardamom. Cardamom means elaichi. Fenugreek seeds, Fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds means methi. Red chili, Redchili. Red chili means lal mirch. Saffron, Saffron. Saffron means kesar. Mace, Mace. Mace means jabitri. Bay leaf, Bayleaf. Bay leaf means tejpatta. Onion, Onion. Onion means pyaj. Ginger, Ginger. Ginger means adrak. Garlic, Garlic. Garlic means lesson. Black pepper, Blackpepper. Black pepper means kali mirch. Curry leaves, Curryleaves. Curry leaves means curry patte. Sesame, Sesame means til. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.